Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I absolutely love using mica powders on polymer clay, as they give a shiny metallic lustre that can't really be achieved with paint. In this video I'm going to give you some essential hints and tips to get the most out of your powders. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of new tutorial videos. Mica powders can be applied to the raw clay before baking, and the colour doesn't change when it's been baked. There are a few things you need to bear in mind when using them. Mica is a natural mineral, and the powders is formed by finely grinding them. The result is a fine powder, and as with many fine powders, care should be taken not to breathe in the dust. Mica has been used for centuries to create a metallic lustre in paints and cosmetics. The best mica powders for use with polymer clay will have a built-in binder. These binders are activated by moisture, and as the clay has a liquid content, these powders will stick to the clay. However, once baked, I always recommend using a sealer to lock the mica powder in place. One thing to remember with mica powders is that what you see in the pot isn't necessarily the colour you'll see when it's applied to the clay. The colours can change beyond recognition. Some, such as this black, will give you exactly what you expect, although on white clay it's lighter than it is on black. To make using mica powders less of a gamble, I've created a little tile for each colour, half black and half white. As you can see, this yellow is a pale yellow on white clay, yet shows up gold on black. This apparently white powder shows white on white clay, yet is a deep bronze on the black. However, this white powder is a silver blue when used on black clay, and gives a pearlescent finish on white. This pale green powder gives a rich green when used on black, and has no effect at all on white. This pink powder is the colour you would expect on white, yet when used on black produces a deep purple blue. This lavender coloured mica is actually a deep purple on black, and again has little effect when put on white clay. This dark brown mica powder possibly has one of the most profound colour changes, becoming metallic green on black clay and red copper when used on white. So you can see how it makes sense to make up these colour swatch tiles to stop you from using completely the wrong colours on your project. Each of the clay tiles is numbered to match the corresponding pot of mica and given a coat of glaze. I still find it amazing every time I use mica powders that there can be so much difference in the resulting colour depending on what clay it's used on. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.